All right, let's talk about how you can change the display language in Excel. So what you're going to want to do is open up your workbook. You're going to want to hit File, go down to More, then hit Options. And it'll bring up this menu. Go over to Language here. And then what you're going to want to do is add a language, and then you can just scroll through and select whichever language is applicable to you. In this case, we're just going to select Spanish, and then go ahead and hit Install. And so then it's going to install, and it's going to take a little bit because Microsoft is going to download the language and update all of that for you. And so it's going to take a second. Bear with me. All right, I'll save you the pain of watching through that because sometimes that install can take some time. Basically, what you need to do is close out of Excel and then open it back up again. All right, as you can see, Excel has updated into the new language. All right, so above here we can see that this is no longer in English. If we go to Archive, we go to Options, and then we go back to Language, we can then go back and select English as our primary language and then hit Accept. And then we will need to then close out of Excel and reboot it up again. And you can see that we are now in English. And if we go back to Options and Language, we can see here that English is our preferred language, but we have the Spanish language available as well. So that's how you can change the display language within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Please subscribe and hit the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.